In today's episode, we're thinking outside of the candle holder. Jem from Rustic Rehabs. It is Monday, it's 41 and kind of drizzly, and I just came from the dentist. So I have about a half hour to thrift before I gotta take the dog to the groomer. So it's a busy day, even though the shop is closed. Let's find some stuff for spring. I need some spring inspiration, sunshine, all of the above. This basket was the find of months. You guys went wild over how I styled it in a reel, and it sold right away. One of our favorite customers, Jill, bought it and all the contents too. Jill sent me a picture of it all styled on her table. Thank you, Jill. You know we love you. I'm kind of regretting that I didn't pick up this keyboard. Get it? I think this looks kind of cool, but it just did not, I think it felt kind of cheap, so I left it. But I did grab this arch. I spray painted the brown part black, the metal part black, and it looks really cool above what I plan to styling as a coffee bar. Here it is waiting for me to hang it, but it looks really good where it is too. This will go in my kid area, looks super cute. These look like little chalkboards. It would be cute for a daycare. This sold really fast, and so did this. This one went to the Blazels, who are some of my best customers over the years. This I bought just to take the hooks off to put on different things. And this Mother Teresa saying is something we all need more than ever. Be kind, be kind, be kind. I liked the poppy print, but it just felt a little too flimsy, so we left it. And these I think were very cool. They were $5 each though, and I'm thinking I'm going to be able to get them at Michael's for that price and put some pressed flowers in them for the summer. This will be cute for when it's cold again, and this I'm planning to use on that little coffee bar. We didn't find any lamps this time around. I did think about grabbing this one to paint it, but I decided to pass. These two bunny teapots were adorable, so they are styled on my coffee cart. If you're looking for anything that you see here today or in any of my pictures, you can shop rusticrehabs.com. A lot of things did sell this weekend at our busy vintage shop hop, but you can still find some really cool stuff. This little jewelry box / trinket box, I think, was made by somebody with a Prima Redesign transfer. So this fits in perfectly. I did paint the bottom just to cover that all up and clean it up, and it is so cute. I feel like I've looked at this little fairy every time I've been in, but it's broken and I'm not sure if I can fix it well enough to resell it. This tray we just gave a good cleaning to, and it is really cool with all the different inlay wood. This week I found some candle holders that I turn into planters. This is a new love of mine. I spray painted this a metallic gold with a little bit of black to tone it down, and this isn't the best picture, but it is very cool. I did pass on the potpourri pig. This I'm planning to embellish with decoupage paper or transfer. This one we put a plant in too, and we're hanging it in our shop. This huge candle holder is another one of the coolest things I've run into in a while. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but check it out. I teased asking what people thought I was going to do with it. Somebody said a candy jar, somebody said a fishbowl, but we turned it into a planter with this baby aloe and a little tiny bunny, and I think it turned out so cool. It sold yesterday to somebody at the shop hop. If you're wondering what the shop hop is, it's an event twice a year that is run by a woman from Illinois who gets a map created of all different vintage and women's boutiques and encourages them to go shop. So yesterday was a pretty busy day, and we also are apparently on the Pokemon Go app again for our murals. So there was a lot of kids out there with their phones trying to score some points. I thought that was so funny. I know nothing about Pokemon Go, do you? I've seen this clock a couple of times here, and so nobody has snagged it yet, but I'm going to leave it too. This little candle stand caught my eye, but I have something similar that I still haven't used, so I am going to leave it. I thought these bells were kind of neat. I bet they've already gone because I went back later in the week for something else and I don't remember seeing these guys. This little bunny got a makeover. It's UNESCO, so it's like Precious Moments era, and looking at the ribbons and florals on its little dusty head, I think we can safely say this was 90s. So I cleaned her up, put a butterfly in her head, and she went home with Jill for that big basket. This sconce was pretty. If there would have been two, I probably would have considered it, but with one, it's just kind of an odd duck. If I didn't have two big kind of plant holders already, I maybe would have stuck one in that, but that is a pretty cool candle holder too. I spent $81 this week, and I loved some of these finds and flips. Drop me a comment. What was your favorite thing? Have a great weekend, and I will see you again on the next video.